The CDC is issuing a federal mask mandate. It's set to go into effect tomorrow night. The mandate is geared toward mass public transportation. Mara Siriani breaks down the new set of rules.
If you've recently traveled by plane, taken an Uber, or even MARTA, wearing a mask on public transportation is nothing new to you. The only difference now is if you refuse to wear a mask, you'll be violating federal law. Under new CDC rules beginning Monday night, mask wearing will be required on planes, boats, trains, and buses. The mandate also covers subways, taxis, rideshare vehicles, and ferries. It's required for operators and workers, too.
For God's sake, wear a mask, if not for yourself, for your loved ones, for your country.
The CDC directive follows an order from President Biden on January 21st, the day after his inauguration, directing agencies to immediately take action. It also comes as health experts uncover new and more contagious COVID variants.
I understand and acknowledge that anxiety that people are feeling. The good news is the measures that we've been recommending this whole time will help us to limit transmission of these new variants.
The nation's top infectious disease expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci, suggests wearing 2 face masks. In an exclusive interview with 11 Alive, Governor Kemp urging Georgians to continue to practice safe protocol.
Masking, potentially double masking.
The CDC said people violating the order could potentially face criminal penalties, but suggested civil penalties would be more likely if needed. In Georgia, there's no statewide mandate requiring masks. However, the new rules can be enforced by state, local, and federal agencies.